I'd like to do a couple new songs from the new album, The Ladder. As we travel around America singing these songs, it's great fun, I gotta say. Thank you all for coming this evening, very special. Thank you. Want to hear the samba? This is samba. Oh, there it is. What you gonna do when the lightning strikes and hits you? Who you gonna call for the secret of stealing the world? Swimming in this ocean of words on your new cell phone, diving for the wisdom of pearls in your eyes. What you gonna do when the lightning strikes and hits you? How you gonna laugh when the Joker forgets his lines? Stepping off a cloud into space, whatever greets you. Show me how you got this award for being alive. Waking up is taking to the power. Dancing up is dancing to the dawn. Talk, talk, talk will always get you someplace. Shake it up, shake me till I'm done. Shake it up now. Do-wop-bop. 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 Who you gonna call when the power begins to chase you? Spinning out of shape, are you learning to live again? Fastening your seatbelt tonight, it could get jumping. Showing me the good and that life is not in vain. Take, take, take the dancing through the lightning. Walk, don't talk me always on the run. Ride it out until you get the picture. Shake it up, shake me till I'm done. Shake it up now. Yeah, he said, touch it together, touching my spirit, touching my feeling. Yeah, he said, touch it together, touching my spirit, touching my feeling. Yeah, he said, coming together, touching my spirit, touching my feeling. Yeah, he said, coming together, touching my spirit, touching my feeling. Talk, 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 keep moving, run in circles. Moving till the moon is on the run. Take me into the new day. Shake it up, shake me till I'm done. Take Chris Squire on bass guitar.